Welcome to the Namsan factory of Doosan Machine Tools. My name is Shin Myung-soo, and I am a member of the production technology team of Doosan Machine Tools. Today, I'll give you a customer presentation on the production process of the Puma SMX, the company's multifunctional mill turn center. Doosan Machine Tools manufactured about 1,300 units of the first-generation multifunction machines in 2002. The company guarantees world-class quality by deploying a thorough assembly process from the first process to shipping out, a phased quality control system that uses the cell production method, and precision assurance certification. Here at this site, we machine high-precision beds using the DCM, a 5-axis machining center. The DCM is a specialized machining center that is used to process large workpieces. It guarantees machining precision that remains consistent and accurate even during long hours of operation with a processing load. Constant temperature is maintained and managed properly in every season of the year at the 5-axis production line. In addition, bed machining is performed with precision machining of 3 micro straightness and 3 micron squareness. In this machining room, the company machines spindle bodies using the HSP, Doosan's high-precision finishing machine, and a jig center. Major units are machined precisely in this room, including the spindle body, which is the core component of the multifunctional machine. Temperature and humidity are controlled constantly to maintain precision, and the spindle bodies machined here are managed at a concentricity of 5 microns or less. All parts machined by the Precision Machining Center are strictly managed by our 3D precision measurement and statistical quality control system. This is the spindle grinding room. Doosan Machine Tools maintains the highest level of precision by using capto-polygon grinding, a first in Korea. Now let's move on to the spindle head assembly site. Temperature and humidity are also controlled constantly here to maintain precision. Bearings are assembled in the clean room. The milling spindle, which is the core unit of the multifunction machining center, and the B-axis are also assembled here, and each unit's reliability is tested at the test bench before being transferred to the large assembly line. So far, we have seen the processing and assembly process of the major units of the bed and spindle. Now, let's move on to the assembly line to watch the product assembly process. Doosan Machine Tools applies a unique cell production method to the assembly line. This method requires each worker to take responsibility from start to completion. As a result, variations in quality are minimized, and stable production is achieved at the highest level. The bed, which is the base of all assembly works, is installed, and the LM way and ball screws are assembled. The Puma SMX minimizes non-cutting time thanks to the adoption of a high-precision, high-speed roller type of LM guideway. Precision assembly is checked through shaft quality control. Stable performance is guaranteed under any machining conditions because all units are mounted vertically on the main structure to achieve a perfect state of stable structural rigidity. Once the major units have been completely assembled, Doosan Machine Tools' internal static precision and feed precision standard, which is stricter than the current ISO standards, are applied. The ATC tests reliability by running in the unit state for up to 24 hours in the unit state and for 24 hours continuously in the assembled state. After the final assembly, the machine is shipped to the customer after an ongoing inspection. So far, we have watched the assembly process of the Puma SMX. Doosan Machine Tools will continue to provide high-performance, high-quality products and multifunction machining solutions. Thank you.